Hey there, lovebirds and lovelorn detectives. Welcome back to the Mind Detective channel. Today we're cracking the code of crushes. Ever feel like your crush might be a little, well, obsessed? Believe it or not, psychology can help you decipher those secret signals. So, grab your magnifying glass and metaphorical beret because we're about to uncover 7 signs. Your crush is secretly obsessed with you. Number 1, the I spy. Have you ever felt like someone's staring at you a bit too much? It might not be your imagination. Psychologists have observed that dilated pupils and lingering gazes can be signs of attraction. Our brains are wired to take in information about people we find attractive, so these involuntary glances could be a sign your crush can't help but steal a peek. But be careful, not all staring is created equal. If your crush seems overly intense or makes you uncomfortable with their gaze, it's best to create some distance and trust your gut feeling. Number 2, body language bonanza. Our bodies talk even when our mouths don't. When you're interested in someone, you subconsciously want to appear open and inviting. Look for signs like open posture with uncrossed arms and legs. You might also notice mirrored movements where your crush unconsciously mimics your gestures or posture. These are all ways our bodies communicate interest and connection. Number 3, the thinking of you telepathy. Not really. Okay, so there's no real crush telepathy, but there are ways to tell if you're on their mind. Does your crush remember tiny details you mentioned in passing, like your favorite band or your upcoming trip? Maybe they quote things you said or bring up topics you've discussed before? These could be signs they're paying close attention and genuinely interested in getting to know you better. Number 4, the green-eyed monster. A little jealousy can be a sign that someone cares. If your crush seems bothered by you giving someone else attention, it might be their not-so-secret feelings peeking through. Now, jealousy can be a tricky emotion, and there's a healthy dose and an obsessive one. If your crush's jealousy turns into possessiveness or controlling behavior, that's a red flag. But a little green around the gills when you're talking to someone else, that could be a sign they like you more than they're letting on. Number 5, the mixed signal mystery. Does your crush act hot and cold? One minute they're showering you with attention, the next they seem distant or aloof? This can be frustrating, but it might also mean they're nervous about revealing their true feelings. They might like you but be afraid of rejection, so they send out mixed signals to protect themselves. If you find yourself caught in this confusing dance, try to be patient and see if they eventually take the leap. Number 6, the shyness showdown. Sometimes a crush can leave you tongue-tied. If your crush seems to fumble their words around you, trip over their sentences, or blush profusely in your presence, it could be a sign of hidden affection. They might want to impress you, but be overwhelmed by their feelings, leading to awkward moments and nervous stumbles. Number 7, the always there for you ally. Does your crush magically appear whenever you need them? Maybe they remember you mentioned needing help with a project and suddenly they're volunteering their assistance. Perhaps you confided in them about a stressful situation and they're there offering a shoulder to cry on or a listening ear. This unwavering support could be a sign they deeply care about you and want to be there for you, not just in sunshine but also during rain showers. Remember, these signs are just clues. Don't go full-blown Sherlock Holmes on your crush, but by understanding body language and their actions, you might just crack the code of their true feelings. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more mind-blowing mysteries of love and relationships. Until next time, stay curious, my fellow detectives.